previous video, we learned how to add an internal link, which is a hyperlink inside my Jupyter Notebook, so I can move around anywhere inside Jupyter Notebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an external link, which is basically adding a URL of website inside Jupyter Notebook. So I'm gonna have to come here, and it's already marked down. So hashtag 11 external link. Now to do that, I'm gonna have to write the anchor and then href and then equal open parentheses, or sorry, opening the quote, and write down the name of the website. So I'm going to write my website, the-mis.org, and after that I'm going to close this tag, and then I'm going to write the name, which is visit my site, and then close the tag. Press Shift Enter, and it's going to look like this. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to my website, and it's working perfectly fine. So this is how you add an external link inside Jupyter Notebook, and I will see you in the next video.